USD, well, 97.92 now, and then we have the Euro USD, 137.59, 160, and then the Euro the Euro yen is at 75, and the pound USD is also at 60.73. So we'll go. Everything is the Euro USD is short. Euro yen is actually pushing going long, just turned going long. So we're gonna wait for the USD yen to drop back down a little bit, then we'll take it long. I don't think that it's gonna break 97 at the moment. So let's give it a minute for it to break. Then we can take it going long. I mean, not break. I'm saying for it to roll over, because the 1 minute it will roll over for sure. It's knocking at 97.92. It would be great if you could break it, but I don't think so. It's gonna wait. We're at the very top already. Let's give it a minute for it to break before we get into it, because it's gonna have a pullback because it's just been going long. Let's see. Look at that push right here, guys. In the 1 minute, it started pushing right about here. 97.75. It kept on going, pulling back a little bit. $97.57 right here, all over the 1 minute. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a pullback to about maybe 97. I would say 97, probably like 70, if that. Okay, that's what I'm looking for the USD, and it will pull back. I don't want to get into this trade prematurely, but I know it will pull back. Okay, we're good there. We're good there. Okay, the Euro yen also is at 78. This one too, no question. We're looking at the 1 minute. Let's wait, give it a quick minute. All of them will pull back so we can take our trades. Euro USD, it's going long. So now the hour is short. So every single time it pushes long, it's gonna be a short. No question about it. So the USDN, every pullback, it's gonna be long. We have to find our way in. So let's just wait for a second. The USDN, we can't take this. I mean the USD, guys, we can't take this because the hour is already short. So we're just looking for long. The pullback that we want over here in the USDN, okay, just so you guys know, 97.76. That's what I would like to see. That would be somewhere like around a good 20 pip pullback. Euro USD, it's pushing going long at 137.70. So it's almost to the top. I think that for us, let's see if we can get a 137. Probably 130. If it doesn't break 75, guys, then we can take it short. But we have to be careful. We have to watch it first. It's gonna push up to see if it's gonna go back to break 137.75. If it doesn't, then we can take it short. That's the Euro USD, and the Euro yen. We want it to go back down to about because it pulls back so much. I'm looking at honestly for the Euro yen, it will go all the way back to 134.50. Even 40 even. So that's what we're looking for. But let's just watch Cobra wherever it turns. Right now the Euro USD is pushing, wants to go back short again. So but I want to wait. I don't want to take this one. And I notice also in the 1 minute right here that Cobra wants to turn and go long here. I don't want to take that yet. It's way too early. Way too early. I don't think this is really gonna go. Nor is this one gonna go down yet. I wanna wait. And the pound dollar, I think that a pull back down if it pushes up to about 160.90, I can take it short. So let's just wait for this. I'm not taking those two because I don't like them. I don't like this one in the dollar yen. I don't like it. None of them so far. So this is the position. As soon as this excuse me, as soon as this confirm, going short, we're gonna be taking, this is gonna be all short. Every single time it pushes long, you take it short. You take it short. But if you want to keep it, as soon as the daily confirms short, and a true position trade position is that you're gonna be waiting also for the weekly to go short. So this code has been modified for it to catch the very beginning. It'll be fast. So for the weekly to go short at 135.76, it's gonna go short. But really, I don't really believe they're gonna pull this thing all the way back just like that. It's gonna take some time. So that's the daily. And then if you want to see the 60-minute for it, here's the 60-minute straight down. It's sort of going short right here. So it's going to continue. It's curving down. All right. So you can even see it better. Here's a 60-minute USD. Just lined up right there. Put a stop here to those two. It's kind of, what's cool about this looking at it? The 60 minutes, there is no way none of us would have gotten into this trade because market force never showed that there was enough power to get into this two candles to fake us out, because he put two stops to it because they weren't big enough. But this short, however, it's beginning to take shape. So the EUR/USD is back to 60. So I'm looking at it as it goes back down. So it went up to about, let's see, let me go back. But so I hope you understand the expression that I just gave you just now so you can see it. Let me pull up the other chart so I can pay attention. That was our first push up. It went to about 60. Is that correct, guys? Where did it go to? Was it 68 or 69? Anybody was paying attention? The EUR/USD. The pullback was to about, the pull up was about, I don't think it was 137.77. 137.71, I mean. Maybe so, and it dropped back down. So we'll pay attention to that. So this is everything. Maybe it may not go all the way to 74 like I wanted to, but maybe that's what we're looking. That's what we're looking at. The USD, and again, is trying to one more time. It's gonna try to test 98 to see if it can break it. If it doesn't break it, they will pull it back a lot. They're gonna go get more money. Let's watch it. But I did not like that pullback. I want more than, we're too close to to the top, guys. Way too close. Because the high for the day was 97.92. I do not like to take trade at the very top like that. I prefer to wait. It does look good to actually. It looks like it's easy. Okay, it looks easy. You can get up there, down, up, down. You can go both ways, but it just looks pretty, but really it's not true. Okay, guys? If you're looking at the candle, the tips when it changes, like this short, for example, it's at 37.58. If you didn't get a big pullback, 56, that's one pip. Then it turn around. So you probably, this you would lose money. But this one, okay, fine, you'll make money. It's like 57 all the way to 70. That's a huge, big change. But if, like right here, for example, it dropped down, but it also reversed real quick, spiked up, and dropped. Okay, you may have made money because maybe you wouldn't get out. Then when it turned over here, going long, you could take this. It started going long at about 61, went to 72. It's But I don't like you guys trading that. It looks like it's an easy 10 pips, or at least 5 pips, 6 pips. We can do that very easily, but I just don't like them. It's too risky for you guys. When you guys are good enough, you can do that, but not yet. When I'm trading the Asian session, I do it though. I have to say, because it's slow and I know it's not gonna run and do anything crazy. Like in the morning, anything can happen. This is radical. Right now the USD is still trying to test 98, trying to break, but it can't. I want to be very cautious what the trades that we take here. Are you guys okay with that? I gave the numbers before, which pricing we're gonna, what the pricings are. So I think we're gonna stick to that. Yeah, I think that at 169, I think that's the ticket for the pound dollar to take it to go long here. No, it was really frustrating because it was just such a perfect trade at 75. Well, but I'm very surprised about with the Euro USD though that it's at back to 138.10. So I wonder if they're gonna keep it on an uptrend because the dollar yen did not do much. It's still at 97.84. Gosh.